Multiply or divide. Then drag the correct answer to each expression. This is all dividing scientific notation. What I'm going to do for these problems is I'm going to show you how to use a calculator to divide scientific notation. Let me bring my calculator in here. So look at this first one. 9 times 10 to the negative 4th divided by 7 times 10 to the negative 8th. Here's what you do. You type in a 9. And then what you need to do is you need to look for a button that says EE. And for this calculator, it's right there. So what that does is that's the same thing as scientific notation. So then I just put a negative and then a 4. So that's 9 times 10 to the negative 4. And it's going to be divided by 7. Hit that EE button again. And then negative 8. So that's divided by 7 times 10 to the negative 8. Enter. So I get an answer of 12,857. So let's see. Well, all these answers are in scientific notation, so what I have to do is I have to convert now to scientific notation. So from right here with a decimal point, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be roughly 1.3 times 10 to the 4th. That's this one. Okay, the next problem. 9. I get the EE button. And the power is negative 5th, so that's 9 times 10 to the negative 5th. Then divided by 7 times 10 to the negative 10th. And that one is 128,571. So I have to convert to scientific notation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places this time. 1.3 times 10 to the 5th. Okay, so that shows you an example of how to use a calculator. For these last two problems, I'm going to do them by hand. So 4 times 3 is 12. And then for the powers, it's going to be 5 plus negative 2, or 5 minus 2, so that's 12 times 10 to the 3rd. And I have to move the decimal point 1 over, so it's actually going to be 1.2 times 10 to the 4th. And then for the last one here, 4 times 3 is 12. This is going to be times 10 to the 8 plus negative 4, or 8 minus 4, which is 4. But I have to move the decimal point again, so it's going to be 1.2 times 10 to the 5th. And that matches up with this one.